Oi, oi! Beautiful song. Oi, oi, oi. Right. I am absolutely freaking knackered today, Andy. Thakar tut gaya. 147 miles I've done today. Andy, they not walking, driving obviously, but so program the ऐसीगा that I'll come back here and I'll cook a keema and spaghetti, yeah. So keema spaghetti, it's oh, beautiful, but I just can't be asked. I didn't. So for occasions like these, I've got this stuff in my freezer, right? I've never tried it before, huh? ठीक है? लेकिन मैं सुनिया Haldiram's is a good make, huh? I've heard. So this is frozen yellow tadka dal, yeah? And I can't get the spellings right now. Saryus too. I'm guessing serves too, yeah? Or Saryus too, yeah? Zero trans fat and all that blah blah bakwas. I don't really care about that. The chalo tadka dal we've got. And then we have Hyderabadi biryani. Yeah. Looks good in the picture though, doesn't it? Hanji? Lekin naal hai bhi likhiya vegan. Oi. Look, I ain't got nothing against vegan people. As long as they leave me the F alone, Hanji, and let me eat what I want. ठीक है ना जी? मैनू तंग ना करो तो मैनू खाण दे जो मैं खाना बस. But okay, so we've hold on. Jump karo. Right. So that serves two as well. I mean seriously, a little thing like that serves two. ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ. You know? I mean that serves one really, me, one person. I mean serves two. Right, so we got that Hyderabadi biryani. And my favorite, again, like I said, I've not tried this before. Chole, te chol, oi hoy, haji. This is vegan as well, but you know. Pata nahi vekhde, all natural ingredients, no preservatives, blah 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 blah. Huh? Chalo, try karde hain ji ki honda, huh? Let's see, and I got my roti. Yeah. Let's see how it tastes. Pictures to follow, people. I might add a little bit of tadka shalka on it, which is tadka is basically a little bit of garlic, green chilies chopped, and ta in fry them and then shove on the dal. Let's see what happens. Pictures to follow. Rab rakha.